from Blueberry's Clubhouse. Blueberry.
I think we're gonna have to clean our room.
Ugh.
Oh dear. Cleaning up, really can't believe it. What's in the bag? Oh, what's in the bag?
This bag belongs to Sophie. She's my bear cub, Blueberry. Today is the camp-wide cleanup, where we donate all the things we don't use anymore. Have you found anything to donate yet?
This is my friend Mr. Matheny from the donation center.
Oh, you're the one taking all my clothes.
Well, not all of them, just the ones you don't need anymore.
Yeah, out with the old, in with the new.
Now you're getting it.
Cleaning up, I just can't believe it.